My blueberries and hydrangeas are here. I'm so excited. This is from Gardener's Dream, and this is how the package arrived in this box. They usually put like the side up. All the times I've ordered from them, they put like which side of the box should be up. And yeah, there's a lot of like brown paper in here to keep the plants insulated. I already removed some there on the floor, and yeah, I'll just show you the plants soon. These are the plants. I ordered 2 hydrangeas. I don't recall the variety, but it's one that changes its color from like white, red to pink, and then even the leaves themselves change, and I thought that was going to be very interesting, like across the seasons. This is blueberry, this is pink lemonade, and this is like the regular blueberry. This one is Highbush. So that one I got like a bigger size, which was more expensive, and then I got this one. When you're growing blueberries, even though they are, I think, self-fertile, you sort of want to have 2 plants, whether 2 varieties or just 2 plants, so that it can cross-pollinate and increase your yield. And I think these are like flowers that will end up becoming blueberries this year, so that's really exciting. There are loads of them, and I hope I can take care of them. But anyways, I have to hide all this evidence from my husband because he's sick of me getting plants. I thought I'll show my face. As I was saying, I have to hide the plants from my husband. I go home first, and yeah, I need to hide them because I'm just like maybe overdoing it. Don't say I said so. I don't think I am, but yeah, I'm sure he will just be sick of me buying anything anymore. But yeah, I think this is the last of the last. Like, I'm not buying any other thing again. Good morning and welcome to Tope Sprinkle. In case you're seeing me for the first time, if you're not, if you see me out here, you probably know what I'm doing. So this morning I'm going to pot up my blueberries and hydrangeas, and the hydrangeas will go into this decorative pot. It doesn't have holes underneath, so I'm going to have to drill some holes, and then the blueberries will go into like these black pots. So these ones already have holes from last year. Yeah, and I got ericaceous compost, so the plant potting mix, because these are acid loving plants, and I'm not sure I know how to make an acid loving compost at this moment. So that's something I have to learn over time, and how to improve the soil specifically for them. But anyways, let's get potted. I have 5 holes at the bottom. Yep, looking good. So I don't have enough. Yeah, that's about all there. It's going slightly full. It's about half and half. So I think just for now I'll pot the blueberries because I want those to start growing and doing their thing. So that's this one. This is Highbush blueberry, and this is actually color blue, and that pink lemonade blueberry, so that's color pink, which will be interesting because I've never had those before. It turns out that I'm bad at maths and measuring stuff. Anyway, so that's a 50-liter potty mix, right? You can see on the pack, 50 liters when filled. This is a 35, okay, no, it's not 35 liters, but it's a 35 cm pot. That's a 35 cm pot. I believe this is a let's see, maybe about 40, and that's about 40 cm, much larger. But I don't know why I thought that 50 cl would fill up these four things. Hi again, lovely people, and welcome to Tope Sprinkle. I'm just gonna keep saying this because I don't know when I'm going to start and stop a video. Yeah, so I'm going to pot my hydrangeas now, and now I've gotten another compost here behind me. It's different from the one that I used. It's a different brand from the one that I used for the blueberries and the leftover that I have here for the hydrangeas, but it's also ericaceous compost. And I'm just going to pour half of the old one and then pour this one on top. And what I tried to do was, when I opened the bag, it was moist, and I've tried to just pour in some rainwater as rain fell during the course of the week to keep the compost moist, so that I don't have to water again and use tap water, because it's better to use rainwater for these guys. Anyway, so yeah, I'm going to pot up my hydrangeas now. So this is the old one that I have, the leftover if you remember, and what I'm just going to do is to pour some of that inside here. Anyways, so hydrangea 1, I love it. I think it's a very good fit, no wider than the base, and just sits there discreetly. And yeah, any excess water from when I water or when rain falls will not go on the deck wood, it will just go under there, and I can actually even reuse it. And then same thing here, still need to do some work on this deck, but that's a later video. So a little update, it's been, I'm not sure how long, but my blueberry leaves are turning red, and the flowers that were doing good before have shrunken and loads of them have dropped. This is a pink lemonade. It has also turned red, but I think it has more leaves. But like, this one seems to be struggling. I peeled off some of the stem just to be sure if it was living or dying, and you can see that there's green there, so it's healthy and alive. I think it's just been struggling with the cold because we've had like inconsistent temperatures in the last few days. As a matter of fact, today that I'm filming this update here, it rained hailstorms, so yeah, I guess like it's been tough for them. But yeah, anyways, for that update, remember when this guy had just 3 babies? Well, Siwu has put out more. The mother plant is happy, trying to grow some more. My hydrangeas, on the other hand, are doing very well. I think they put out more leaves. It wasn't as full or bushy as this. I've moved them here temporarily because I'm trying to work on the deck. But yeah, that's the update for now. I'll check how long ago I filmed that first clip, the first videos that you've seen, and then put an update in the description or in the face of the video. I'm going to end this video here. I hope you've enjoyed potting my hydrangeas and blueberries with me. Wish me luck. I really hope that these blueberries do well. To start with, the large one was really expensive, so I don't want to see that money waste. And then secondly, I'm just really looking forward to them growing, so I hope they make it through the cold and come back alive. I'll see you again in my next video. Until then, stay blessed, stay safe, and bye.